Hi, this is Vic. On this video, I'm going to give you a short example of a typical design to manufacturing integration example with OpenBOM. We're going to start by importing a part catalog Excel from an ERP system, in this case, the one in our company. So I'm just going to locate now the Excel and go ahead and import it into OpenBOM. And the next thing I'm doing is I'm sharing it with my production manager because I'd like for him to have a look and make sure that everything in there is as it should be. So I see him in there, he's checking things, and now we transition to a BOM that was imported from our favorite CAD system. And aside from just starting to start monitoring the change, we also go ahead and share it with the same production manager we did before. And now we're going to assign the part catalog that we imported from ERP in Excel. That's now in OpenBOM, and we also bring in some of the properties into the bill of materials that we'd like to work on. So you see that I've just brought those in, part supply descriptions, minimum quantity. You can bring as many as you like. And now I keep a revision because I want to be able to track all the changes. At least all the key changes that are happening here. So now as we progress, I'm going to just have a quick look at the various revisions that I've made. Revision 1, Revision 2. You see that they're changed. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and look at a history of all the changes that have been made. And in addition to that, I'm going to create a change report. The idea being that I'd like to see what's changed between Revision 1 and Revision 2 and send that back to the production team for entry into the ERP system. So I go ahead and download the report, and here it is. This is roughly what it looks like. Now I go back and I can do a little bit of real-time collaboration, which is continuous with my production manager, just to make sure everything is as it should be. Now I am going to bring back in the parts catalog because in the meantime, there's been some changes to the parts catalog, and I'm going to import the Excel, and you see that there were indeed changes made. Those are captured immediately. They're merged into, and collaboration and revision continues to be captured in the bill of materials. Now that we're back there, and you see that more revisions are being created, more work is happening. Now, if needed, I can go ahead and update the bill of material via an Excel that also came from the ERP, and I've imported it. And if there's been any changes made to that, those are going to be reflected in the bill of material that I have. I'm formatting it because this particular bill of material needs just a little bit of formatting, which is done automatically for me here. So I go ahead and import that, and lo and behold, all those changes are captured, and I'm able to monitor them online in real time with others. In this case, with my production manager, you see that more revisions are created because I want to continue to track those changes. So if you want to learn more, visit www.openbom.com. Thank you.